I planned an entire week in Tokyo, 7 days, real hotels, real restaurants, a full day-by-day itinerary, and I didn't pay a single dollar to do it. No travel agent, no expensive planning app, no $40 guidebook. Just free AI tools, and one tool in particular that did most of the heavy lifting in under 2 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do the exact same thing for any city on Earth. Here's the problem with planning a trip the old way. You open 15 browser tabs. One for flights, one for hotels, 5 for best things to do in Tokyo, articles that all repeat the same 6 landmarks, and somehow 3 hours later you still don't have an actual day-by-day plan. Sound familiar? So today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I planned a full 7-day Tokyo trip using only free tools, and I'll show you every single step on screen, so you can pause this video and do it yourself right alongside me. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a complete framework you can reuse for literally any destination. Let's start with the single biggest time saver in this entire process, and it's the tool that does about 70% of the work for you. It's called the AI Trip Planner, and it's a completely free tool on travelmateguide.com. Here's how it works. You head to the Tools tab, select AI Planner, and choose your trip type. For a Tokyo trip like this one, we'll go with Standard Trip, since we're focusing on a single destination for the full week. Type in your destination, Tokyo in this case, add your travel dates if you know them, and then set your trip duration. Since we're planning a full week, we'll drag this slider to 7 days. Set how many travelers are coming, and pick your traveler type, solo, couple, family, or friends, so the itinerary actually fits how you're traveling. Click Next, answer a couple of quick follow-up questions about your budget and travel style, and that's it. Within seconds, you get a complete, personalized, day-by-day itinerary. Real neighborhoods, real attractions, restaurant suggestions, and even estimated travel times between each stop. This alone would normally take hours of manual research, and we just did it in under 2 minutes. But here's the thing, a great Tokyo trip needs more than just an itinerary, so let's build out the rest of the week using a few other free tools alongside it. Day 1 of any Tokyo trip should genuinely be light. You're likely jet-lagged, so let's use our AI Planner itinerary as the base and lean into low-effort, high-impact spots. Sensoji Temple in Asakusa is almost always the recommended starting point. It's atmospheric, walkable, and forgiving if you're running on 4 hours of sleep. For day 2, this is where the itinerary really starts working in your favor, because it's already sequenced attractions by location, so you're not zigzagging across the city wasting hours in transit. Shibuya and Harajuku sit close together, so a well-built plan groups them into the same day automatically. Now let's talk budget, because Tokyo can genuinely range from backpacker cheap to 5-star expensive depending on your choices. Head back to the Tools tab on TravelMate Guide and click over to Budget. This free calculator lets you input your trip length and travel style, and instantly breaks down an estimated daily cost for accommodation, food, and transport. This is genuinely useful for Tokyo specifically, because costs here vary wildly. A hostel bed versus a business hotel versus a ryokan experience can mean the difference between $50 and $300 a night, and knowing that upfront helps you plan the rest of your week realistically. For day 3, let's build in a full-day trip, because this is something most rushed Tokyo itineraries skip entirely. Nikko or Kamakura, both reachable by train in under 2 hours, offer a completely different side of Japan, temples, nature, and a slower pace compared to central Tokyo. Days 4 and 5 are where I'd lean into food and culture immersion. Tsukiji Outer Market for breakfast, an afternoon in Akihabara if you're into anime and electronics, or Ginza if you'd rather browse upscale shopping and department store food halls. Now, before your trip, there's paperwork most people forget until the last minute, and this is exactly what the visa tool on TravelMate Guide is built for. Click over to that tab, select your nationality and destination, Japan in this case, and it instantly tells you whether you need a visa, and what the requirements are. This sounds like a small thing, but I've genuinely seen people book entire trips and realize a visa requirement 2 weeks before departure. Checking this in 30 seconds at the start of your planning process saves you from that stress entirely. For day 6, let's talk packing, because Tokyo's weather can shift depending on the season, and overpacking or underpacking is one of the most common trip regrets people mention. Head to the packing tool, select Tokyo as your destination and your travel dates, and it generates a customized packing checklist based on expected weather and trip length. This is particularly useful for Tokyo specifically, because layering matters here more than people expect. Temples require modest dress, convenience stores are everywhere if you forget something small, but you don't want to be caught without an umbrella during rainy season. Save your final day, day 7, for whatever you missed, and this is where I'd actually recommend clicking Regenerate on your original AI planner itinerary. It'll suggest a fresh set of options based on your same preferences, giving you a backup list of things to do if your week has extra time or your original plans fall through. Let's talk flights and getting there, because this is usually where people lose the most money without realizing it. The Flights tool on TravelMate Guide pulls together deal comparisons so you're not manually checking 5 different airline sites and losing track of which one actually had the best price. And once your itinerary is finalized, here's a small tip that makes a real difference while you're actually traveling. Go back to your AI planner result, click PDF, and download the whole week. Now you've got your entire itinerary saved on your phone, accessible even without Wi-Fi. No need to dig through browser tabs while you're standing in the middle of Shibuya trying to remember what's next. So let's recap the entire process, because this is genuinely repeatable for any city, not just Tokyo. Start with the AI Trip Planner to build your day-by-day base itinerary. Use the Budget tool to understand realistic costs. Check visa requirements early. Build a packing list based on your actual dates. And use the Flights tool to compare deals before booking. Every single one of these tools is completely free, no account required to try them, no hidden paywall halfway through. I genuinely planned this entire 7-day Tokyo trip in under 30 minutes total, and normally that same process takes most people an entire weekend of scattered research. If you're planning your own Tokyo trip, or honestly any trip anywhere in the world, I'd genuinely start here before opening a single other tab. The link to the AI Trip Planner is right below this video, at travelmateguide.com/tools, completely free to use right now. Before you go, I want to hear from you. If you try this for your own trip, drop a comment and let me know which city you're planning. I genuinely read every single one, and it might just become the next video on this channel. Is there a destination you want me to break down next? Tell me below. If this saved you time, and I genuinely think it will, do me a favor and hit subscribe, because this channel is built entirely around helping you travel smarter without wasting hours on research, or money on tools you don't need. New destination breakdowns and travel tools drop every week, so you won't want to miss the next one. Thanks for watching all the way through. I'll see you in the next video.